So this is the key. This is 2023?
No, this is a Toyota CHR 2018 hybrid model.
2018
it's
hybrid.
A European version.
Ah, okay. So 2018 Toyota CHR hybrid version. So this is how it looks in the front. 2018, but the lights are giving, man. The lights are serious. And look at how the front looks. This is a stylish car. I think this is a car for people who are eccentric. Look at that. Fog lights. Auto 24. When you see this blue, the blue color in the badge, you know that is a hybrid. And that's how it looks. Hybrid. Look at these tail lights. Oh man, I can never get used to these tail lights. They are so extra. They're just out there. CHR. And this is how you open the door at the back. The latch is up here. And that's how the door looks. This is a 2018 version, so you can forgive the scratches, but it looks really nice. I like it. It has a very nice smell inside. Very nice smell. The seats have been given a cover. Door bins, electronic window control, but this is automatic, which is nice. I like that. It has this spoiler at the back here. Look at that. So this just gives it some downforce when it's moving. It allows all the air just to cross through and push the car down to give you more grip on the ground. Look at the shape of this car. I think we can appreciate that this car is really good. Look at that. Me like it a lot. So let's look at the inside. Wow, the legroom is a lot. The designs are carried everywhere. Look at this. Reminds me of the lights. It reminds me of how the lights look. Even this, it just comes out, just extra. The door bins, sound system. What is freedom to you? For me, freedom is adventure. And for that, a car is essential. Go up country like a boss in your car. Ledger is your reliable partner for your next used car transaction. At Ledger, we are more than just an online marketplace. We are your trusted companion, ensuring every step of your car buying and selling journey is smooth and satisfying. Our promise to you is quality and transparency. Each car undergoes a rigorous inspection, so you know that you're getting the best. And our detailed listings provide all the information you need to make an informed decision. Our professionals handle everything from secure ownership transfers to regulatory matters. Visit Ledger today and discover a new level of confidence in used car transactions. Whoever used to drive this car really gave it a very nice scent on the inside. It smells really nice. It has all these controls on top here. A nice screen, controls for cruise control, audio control on the steering wheel, electronic parking. It's a hybrid, so you see it has the EV mode where you can drive it. It has the EV mode where you can drive it as an EV. Yeah, and when you need to drive it as a hybrid, then you just step on the gas and it will switch. Then there's fast eco here. It has different driving modes depending on how much power you want to use when driving it. Man, these are the cars for the future, yeah? The cars of the future. So the legroom when this seat is extended is a little bit small, but the headroom is a lot, as you can see. And it has a black interior, so it looks a little bit dark. Let's see if we can see how it looks at the back here. And that's how the boot opens. The speaker in the back. JBL sound system. So you know what's up. When you see JBL, you know exactly what's going on. A tire inflator. Cool. I haven't seen this in Uganda. Not yet, at least. But I think it's really, really beautiful. Yeah, I like every part of it. Most especially the hybrid part. And this is the price at Auto 24 in Rwanda. So you can just convert that to Uganda shillings or whichever currency you have in your country and see if it is cheap, if you should go for it or not. But I think you can agree with me that it is a car of the centuries. Look at this. Okay, so let's open the bonnet and see what is under the bonnet. Man, you need 2 hands for this car. You need 2 hands to open this. Wow. Toyota really knows how to design an engine bay. Look at this. Very clean, very nice. Toyota has mastered how to design these things. And you can tell that it has an engine and a battery as well. Okay, so let's look at the gauge cluster. Let me get a shot of the front here. So that was our review of the CHR 2018 model. Very nice. You should get it.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.